Good morning, everyone. My name is Manmala and I am from Team Hello. Today we are going to participate in debate on the topic of Google is killing our creativity.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Anil and I am from the group of Team Lavender. Today I would like to give a debate on Google increasing the creativity of the man.
Nowadays, everyone is completely based upon the Google, and this creates this is killing man's creativity, and they cannot even face even a single problem directly, and they completely based upon Google.
No, not like that, because the world is moving nowadays forward with the help of the technology, and it's become a part of the everyday life. So we must inculcate with using the Google, and there is no problem of using it. And
nowadays, even the small children are using Google, and this kills their creativity, and this kills their creativity, and they cannot they are not they are unable to utilize their brain completely in a correct manner.
no, not like that, because for example, if the children have a small idea about particular thing, so in order to use their creativity, they have to get an extra information for the topic. So they are using Google in order to get an extra information, and they are adding their creativity to make it wonderful.
I think Google is killing man's power, and this causes many problems even with the health. Nowadays, children are completely based upon Google, and even they are searching small things even on the Google.
And because they have most curious about something to get more information about something, so they are using Google.
You are thinking like that, but because of Google generation, children are not using their brains, and day and time they are sitting in front of the net, Google, they are searching. Because of that, they are not getting any knowledge, just they are getting. If a teacher told to do something, they are going to net and searching, and next day they are using that matter, but because of this, they didn't get any knowledge.
After getting information from the Google, then they are using their brains, making necessary corrections, and they are making it a bright manner.
If it so far happens, that totally depend on internet only, but they don't use their ideas. They are, because of this, they are losing their practical skills also.
Because of Google, they are getting extra information from their children. They are not getting brain cancer or something. Whatever they don't know, they are getting extra information from them. It became an easy mission for our life. Nowadays, in our home, everywhere Google is there. From that, we are getting many information. Whatever we don't know, we are reading something, but exact meaning we don't know exact. It won't strike to our mind. That Google is giving every point for us.
That's what I am saying. God has gave good gift for us. If brain is one of the part, but we are not using their brain. If it so far happens, we want to face so many problems also in future. So many people are suffering about future scientists because youth are totally depending on internet. That they cannot create anything because of depending on Google. They are just taking information from Google only.
They are not taking information, extra information they know something. Extra information Google is giving for them. And exact what they don't know, that it's giving particular topic. In that particular topic, what they don't know, extra information Google will give. It gives exact information, and it became easy machine for us. Otherwise, we should spend many of times in asking other information or libraries. If we search in Google, just it gives all points for us to know, and from that we can create other. From that point, we can create anything now.
You are thinking nowadays children wasting so much time because of Google only. They are not studying. Day and night they are involving in the internet and Google searching. They are losing their creativity.
Yeah. Get up, Krishna. Get out of the class. Get out. Stand up.
walk and they are not doing any homeworks. Just they are playing games and searching. Children are increasing. All are thinking children are increasing technology, but I think it is one of the ways, but there is no use. They are losing their knowledge. If it so far happens, children doesn't be a good person in the world. They are totally different. Even small ideas also they will depend on Google only.
Whatever idea they know, from that Google they are taking extra ideas from them and they are creating their ideas in the Google. Man is created Google in that extra information whatever they want and they are creating so many from Google. Even children are not playing they are playing and they are searching whatever they don't know anything. There so many topics and many they are searching. At that time library is useful. Library is there for anything such books or anything. But just they are clicking there and they are getting many information from the Google.
It just information only, it does not increases our knowledge. And children are losing studies, they are not studying if it happens. So for children just depends on internet only, they won't increase their knowledge also.
They are using their brains in studying and whatever they don't know that they are taking from the Google. They are not having their knowledge. Whatever the extra knowledge they are gaining from the Google.
If they don't know, there should be some thinking part of them, right?
Yes.
They should think creatively and then they should find solution to that problem.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. From the Google they know some matter from that Google extra information and extra math they are taking and extra points they are taking. Many points are coming from the Google. In that whatever important is from that, it strikes to their mind and they are creating in that many.
But they are not using in proper manner. They are completely depending on Google, right?
They are not completely depending on the Google. They are creating many in the Google. Google is not giving actually. They are creating many in the Google. Whatever they don't know, their ideas they are using and they are searching and they are giving information in the Google.
If they don't know, they should think some more, and then they should search for Google. They are directly finding solution to that problem in Google.
Google is just a search engine. From that, we can get any information about the topic. So that we can, from the information, we can learn about more, and it brings us to it helps us to we can think in a broader level.
But they are not using that properly. They should get that solution. First they should think and then they should search into Google. But they are directly depending upon the source because the source is available. Ignorance is mother of evil, right?
It is also saying that Google is it is not an evil because we can get any information about the topic and we can think more about it.
Because of this Google, we will become very lazy.
Yeah, we can think more about it from that information, and we can think in a broader level.
Using this Google, we can't use our mind.
So, yeah. Why do you think that Google gives additional information and we do creative?
No, it is kills our mind. We can't think so because no, we have Google's. We can't think.
For example, you have 10 puzzles. You search Google. And another question also you do in your own way. If you take engineering students, they will prepare PPT, they will searching on the Google. They're doing the PPT, they will searching in Google. They can't use them. They do so many using Google, and also they use their creativity on presentations and debates. So always they depends on the Google.